Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a beautiful rainbow. First, let's draw two fluffy clouds. One on the left and one on the right. They are soft and puffy. So cute. Now let's draw a big happy rainbow. Starts from one cloud and goes up, 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 and comes down to the other cloud. Wow! Our rainbow is ready to color. Let's color our rainbow. First, red at the top. Next, orange. Then yellow, so bright. Next, green like leaves. Then blue like the sky. And last, purple. Wow! Our rainbow is so colorful. Now let's color the clouds light blue. Soft and fluffy clouds. So cute. Let's draw happy faces on the clouds. One cloud is smiling with cute closed eyes. The other cloud is smiling with big eyes. Wow! They look so happy. Time to make our rainbow shiny. Let's add glitter. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Wow! So sparkly. Yay! We made a beautiful rainbow. Great job, little artists. See you next time.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock.